Do you miss creating in the Hub Gallery? The Hub is a space with a variety of interactive areas to trigger the imagination and let creativity run loose. In this space, visitors can build, design, explore, and create open-ended artwork. In our Hub Gallery here at the museum, we provide you with materials to imagine and create your own world. We are very excited to offer our first Unbox the Idea Museum activity kit that is now available for purchase. This kit is a little different from others you may see out there. We do not include step-by-step directions or intend one specific outcome. Instead, this kit will provide you with a variety of art materials that you can use to design your own world and unlock your imagination in any way you would like, while bringing a little of the museum home to you. Let's get started and see what's in our bag. If you like what you saw here today, we invite you to head over to our website for more information on how to purchase these kits.